Boost now active. Serious trauma detected. Agent down. Rogue stinger hive detected. Hostile stinger hive detected.
Who the fuck is Get Frog?
Put some respect on my name.
Oh shit, it's Frog. Oh shit.
Boost about to activate. Boost online.
The enemy is claiming the supply drop.
Alright, look, real quick, man. I know I told y'all I was back and I ain't uploaded a video in like 2-3 weeks, but I have been motivated to upload. But whatever, that's here nor there. We're gonna talk about that in another video because I wasn't even finna upload this right now. I've been having this video on my hard drive for the longest, but I ain't just wanna upload it with no content, no context behind it. I need to tell you what's going on in these clips. But forget all that. Here we go. So what y'all watching right now is me playing a team, and I'm with randoms. And the other team was flanking the whole fucking game. So right here, I'm like, all right, we up fucking 2. Let's win this shit, cause I'm playing hard as hell. So I'm over here watching the back gate. I'm always watching the flank. And look at this geek. He leave the front of the fucking flank. He gotta watch the front. Somebody gotta be up there. Somebody gotta be back here. He leave his post. So I'm like, man, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? So let me go up there and watch his post. Cause he gonna stay back here like a damn nerd. So nobody up there watching his shit. So I come up here to watch his shit, right? So I'm like, all right, cool, we cool. We still up 3-1. So all right, we good. Everybody guard his spot. His dumb ass come follow me back over here. So I'm like, nigga, what? So I'll go out there and see this nigga over there. Now all 3 of us over there in one corner.
Oh!
Like some nerds.
Signs critical.
And boom, I get my ass popped trying to go back over there and watch the damn fucking flank. Look at these nerds. Look at these nerds. Like, I'm mad as a motherfucker right now. Like I don't even want to try to win no more. I'm just so mad, bro. Like I think I don't know if I show the score here or not, but man, I had all the damn kills. These niggas was just pissing me off. Like we almost had it. All they had to do was just man, fuck.
I make you suck on this long dick. You gonna learn today. You gonna learn today.
Nigga! Help me!
Boost about to activate.
Got the lenses out, make it straight with spin it out. Got clout, something like a boss dude, looking like Primo deep, doesn't knock home. Dark thirsty, gold on fleet mode, off to the tree man house, gotta reload. My relics really can't trust us. Big ass sunglasses, got it, David Busters, looking like a bug. Islam bug, looking like I'm from the crest bar. Fresh, no mildew, tone low with the suction pipe on the back, don't smoke with it. My white tee only wear one time. Moving Cali, fall with the sunshine. Yeah, me, some call it yacht, I mean dumb hype. Jumping over something.
I wear my stunner glasses at night, so I can scrape with them whistling pipes. I wear my stunner glasses at night, so I can open all the
blood like Spider-Man. Same color of the pepper called cayenne. At night, no sun, don't need a tan. Old school like a string, get a tin can. Got a pair like CHP, huh? That's why they fuck with me, huh? That's why they hate on me, huh? Videotape surveillance me, huh? Say stunners, I say coolers. Half naked in the shades and my bloomers. Got a pair with the studs like diamonds. Light green looking just like llamas. Self-said, that's my house like Ron Red. Those
I'm not the strongest man in the world. I never said I was. But I feel none and I respect all. And if you disrespect it, I'ma die ball. Shoot 'em up. In the ghetto where we all grind. Sun up to sundown. Hustle all night. Shoot 'em up. Pressure on the nets at all times. Take one of mine, then I'ma make sure that we all cry. When they self homicide, homicide. Shoot 'em up. Pray that it don't be a homicide. Homicide, homicide. Shoot 'em up. Pray that it don't be a homicide. Malcolm X a religion, but this ain't television. Go watch the movie and come back and try to tell me different. I swear to God, I miss my nigga chest full of hate. Bullet in the chamber, pull up and go back. Knowing if his kids the ones that should don't look after. Watching the news in a foster home, they father was massacred in a hospital, laid up inside my dick of the capital. Heal up and go kill up everything in his family. Should've flipped me, gotta teach the bitch that tried to get at me. Left my nigga children on this earth to be bastards. Bitch, I'm up in the morning. Caught a slip grip up on him. At the red light through the windshield, knocked out all his components. In the ghetto where we all grind. Sun up to sundown. Hustle all night. Shoot 'em up. Pressure on the nets at all times. Take one of mine, then I'ma make sure that we all cry. When they self homicide, homicide. Shoot 'em up. Pray that it don't be a homicide. Homicide, homicide. Shoot 'em up. Pray that it don't be a homicide. Had to draw down later, law down for a month straight. Ain't no sleeping nigga, beefing this a month straight. Band-aids on my fingertips with gloves on, I clutch crawl. Duct tape the bottom of my shoes with the snub on. Up and spread to the pavement, you a blood donor. Infrared, white shirt, red, all the blood on it. Throw a bag of drugs on it. For the crime scene, drug-related homicide, closed case, crime scene. Extend the stick out, pick a block and did a dick out. Thought that was your bitch, she set you up, caught with your dick out. Trail you to the club and catch you leaving out that bitch. My decoy fight cause a distraction, leave you leaking out that bitch. In the ghetto where we all grind. Sun up to sundown, hustle all night. Shoot 'em up. Pressure on the nets at all times. Take one of mine, then I'ma make sure that we all cry. Homicide, homicide. Shoot 'em up. Pray that it don't be a homicide. Homicide, homicide. Shoot 'em up. Pray that it don't be a homicide.
Rogue agent neutralized. Agent down. Contaminated gear detected.